What is up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. And today I'm taking a burger challenge. It struck me that when I was quite young, I used to take unofficial food challenges with my friends, and then we obviously never really kept any time. But I used to eat quite a lot of food. Now, the thing is, as I grew up, I don't think my appetite is exactly the same as it used to be. Again, just to put that to a test, I wanted to see if I can challenge it, and I'm doing it at this place called West Coast Grill in Airoli. So let's go ahead and let's ask Mr. Piyush. He's the chef at West Coast Grill. By the way, if you don't know him, or if you have not seen our previous vlogs, him and we took a road trip to Dapoli. Go ahead and please check it out. That was the recent video that was uploaded. And we had a great time. So you guys gotta go ahead and check it out if you have not. But I'm gonna introduce you to Piyush, and he's gonna tell you all about the burger challenge. And my stomach is already growling. Hey, what's up, Piyush?
What's up, bro?
Okay, so tell me about this burger challenge.
So this is called the Absolutely Ridiculous Burger Challenge, and there is a reason why it is absolutely ridiculous. The two main things are it is delicious, but at the same time it is huge. So the ingredients in the burger challenge are 4 homemade chicken patties, burger patties, 4 fried eggs, 4 slices of cheese, all the lettuce and the works, along with a side of French fries and a bottle of soft drink. So the timing for the challenge is 15 minutes. You have to finish the whole thing in 15 minutes. And in the end, if you successfully finish the challenge, which I doubt, or that's why it's called a challenge. If you finish it in 15 minutes, the burger is free. It's on the house, and you'll get an exclusive T-shirt by West Coast Grill, saying that you have conquered this challenge and you are a champion. Your name will be put on the champion board. So around 25 people have tried this challenge, and only 4 of them have successfully completed it. But I can assure you that these 15 minutes will be the longest and the most delicious one in your life. So all the best to you, Elvis. I hope you do well now.
Well, I think I'm pretty confident. I think I can finish it and I can conquer it, as you said. And I don't think it's going to be a challenge because 15 minutes seems to be fine for me. But I don't want to get overconfident, but I still feel I think I can do it. It shouldn't be too tough, Also, by the way, if you have not checked out these amazing graffitis being done on West Coast walls, I'm gonna link the card on the top. I think there should be the video over there. We shot this video a few years back when my good friend Zake, he's the best graffiti artist in India, hands down right now. He had come here and he had done these walls, and after all these years, it's still exactly the same, as vibrant and as amazing. Well, I think it's time to just sit down and take the challenge. Okay, here we have it. This is it. Whew. Well, I think it looks pretty good, and I think we have 15 minutes on the clock, so I think I should be able to do it, hopefully. I think I have some strategies where I just probably maybe start with probably just start with the meat first, and then maybe with the veggies, and then the eggs, and then probably at the end I'll just have one bun, and then just have it as a burger. So, and then probably the fries at the end. So maybe I have some strategies, and I'm not really sure. Probably we'll figure it out, and let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, I need some water. Thank you. Very, very important. All right. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and then the camera begins. Right, here we go. Woo! So let's see. So the patties look really good. I think I'm just gonna separate all of them first and then figure my strategy out. Okay. Another thing, I'm gonna definitely enjoy this. That's the first thing. So let's do one thing. Let's keep the bun aside and keep that at the end. I'm gonna keep the veggies at the end, and I'm just gonna start with the egg and the patty. Sounds good. We're one patty down. Okay. Time for the second one. Two down, third one. Wow, this is challenging. Stop because it's dry. I don't think it's gonna be a challenge, but I can do it. It shouldn't be too tough. Three down. Last one to go. I love how tender the patty is, to be very honest. It tastes amazing. I mean, when it comes to doing the challenge, I really feel you've got to enjoy the whole experience as well, you know. Definitely tough. Not as easy as I thought. I think I'm just eating my words now, what I said before. Nine minutes to go. Oh. Almost there. Come on. You can do this. It's your time. That's it. Just the price. Just the price. That's it. That's all you have. Oh man. 7.5 minutes. I think now I can coast a little bit since the biggest
mountain biggest hurdle is out of the way. The time flies. Let's hope I don't row up after this. And that's definitely about the challenge, by the way. You can't row up. You know. Six minutes. 6 minutes. God. I mean, I'm not the same monster that I used to be anymore for sure, but I think I'm definitely in the burger war here. $5. Oh man, come on. You can do it. It's just a mind game now. It's just a mind game. You can do it. That's it. This is all I have left. Got 4 minutes. Wow. I did not think this would be this tough. For sure. Nothing to go. Almost done. Okay. Let's step it down. Let's step it down. And we are done. You can stop it. There we go, guys. Finished in under 15 minutes, and we still have time to spare. Whew. That was not easy at all. Whew. I think I need to get my heart checked after this, probably. Wow, that was amazing, and it was a very delicious burger. It's not just about the whole challenge, but burger itself is so delicious, and yeah, you can just have just as a normal burger, just one of it, which is, yeah, you're definitely going to love it. Wow, ridiculous burger challenge, totally ridiculous. Agree with that. I enjoyed the entire experience. It was so good, but not as easy as I thought. I mean,
Congratulations, Elvis.
thank you so much.
You are a true burger champion, and
Thank
this
you
is,
so much.
as we promised, a small token of appreciation to you.
Wow, that's amazing.
So now you are a burger challenge champion.
Okay, so I conquered that absolutely ridiculous burger right there. Thankfully, I did not throw up, so that completes the challenge. Now, I would say, this burger challenge was one of the first things that I'm starting for the series of things that I'll be doing in the next coming months. And from tomorrow onwards, I'm starting a new challenge, which you gotta stay tuned. You gotta subscribe to the channel to know what exactly that is. But before I sign off, I just want to let you know that if you guys want to come and you want to try this absolutely ridiculous burger challenge, you got to come to West Coast Grill, which is in Airoli. It's an amazing place. The food is amazing. If you are around the vicinities of Airoli, you can go ahead and you can experience this. Or if you're anywhere in Mumbai, you can just come by and then you can just have a great time over here. It's a beautiful place. With all that awesomeness, if you really love this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and do share it with your friends if you guys want to go ahead and take this challenge. Well, until next time, Signing off. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.